Now Decent Machinery will introduce to you the dust removal system replacement solution for the 80-ton copper tilt furnace. First, Decent Machinery divides the dust generated by the tilting furnace into two parts, the top and the bottom, for dust removal. The main sources of dust are the dust generated in the furnace after scrap copper is burned and the dust generated when workers add scrap copper to the furnace. Let's first look at the set outside the furnace. Decent Machinery designed a cyclone dust collector, dry bag filter and wet scrubber for the dust generated at the top of the furnace. After the dust comes out from the top of the tilt furnace, it enters the cyclone dust collector and dry bag filter through the pipe. Generally, the temperature of the dust coming out of the tilt furnace will not exceed 150 degrees Celsius. So we use PPS filter bag with high temperature resistance of 160 degrees C, 180 degrees C to prevent the dust from entering the dry bag filter when the temperature is too high, causing a fire and burning the dry bag filter. The working principle of the dry bag filter is: when dust enters the dry bag filter, the heavy particles will naturally sink, and the light particles will be adsorbed to the surface of the bag while floating upward. When the surface of the bag is covered with dust, there will be a pulse at the top of the bag. The valve, through the principle of pulse, blows off the dust on the bag to achieve the function of dust removal, and finally achieve emission standards. Advantages of dry bag filter. 1. The dust removal efficiency can reach more than 99%. 2. Wide range of processing air volume. 3. Simple structure, easy maintenance and operation. 4. High cost performance. 5. Adopting high temperature resistant filter bag. The following is a reference for the service life of dry bag filter. The centrifugal fan is connected to the back of the dry bag filter. The centrifugal fan is made of SS304 stainless steel. The normal use time of the centrifugal fan is 5 to 6 years. Compared with the customer's current replacement period of 1 to 3 months, Decent Machinery's solution greatly saves the customer's money and time cost. Next, let's take a look at the dust removal system at the bottom of the tilting furnace. The flue gas temperature at the bottom of the furnace is generally 1000 degrees Celsius, and may even reach 1300 degrees Celsius. Decent Machinery needs to lower the flue gas temperature first, so Decent Machinery uses a self-developed constant temperature system to cool down the temperature from 100 to 150 degrees Celsius. Next, the dust below 150 degrees Celsius enters the cyclone dust collector to remove large black particles, and then enters the dry bag filter to remove small black particles. Next, the dust enters the centrifugal fan. The centrifugal fan is made of SS304 material. The temperature of the flue gas entering the centrifugal fan is around 20 to 100 degrees Celsius. Next, the dust enters the wet scrubber. The flue gas temperature of the wet scrubber is about 20 to 100 degrees Celsius. It is made of Q235 material and is designed with 2 layers of spray to remove acidic gases such as sulfur dioxide to finally achieve emission standards. The normal service life of the wet scrubber is about 10 years, and it needs maintenance about once every 3 years to do internal anti-corrosion. The above is the dust removal system replacement plan of Decent Machinery.